LifeYield Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. LifeYield Retirement Planner is a sophisticated tool designed primarily for financial advisors aiming to optimize retirement income strategies for their client. It integrates tax efficiency, social security optimization, and multi-account withdrawal strategies to enhance retirement outcome. And here are the key features about this platform, which make the platform super cool, which is a tax efficient score. This property metric assess the tax efficiency of a client portfolio to a scale from a 0 to 100. A high score indicates a better tax positioning, helping advisors to identify areas for improvement. It also comes with the retirement income scoring with a social security and a multi-account coordination. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, which is the advantages part of this platform, becomes an enhanced tax efficiency. So by focusing on a tax smart strategy, LifeYield can help you increase your client's after tax retirement income. It also comes with a comprehensive planning tools and a client friendly reporting, which is the tools like the client review report provide the clear insight into a client's financial status without overwhelming details. And here's the downside about this platform, which is its LifeYield is a tailored for financial professionals, which make it less accessible for individual investors seeking for DIY solution. And also the cost consideration. As a minimum premium tools, it may be more suitable for investors with a substantial client base to justify the investment. And that's it.